Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.
Yo, what's good, YouTube gang? The Don is back with a quick little morning reaction before work, man. I woke up this morning on IG and I saw this crazy ass post that says Drake Goons jumped Rick Ross and his bodyguards in Canada for playing Not Like Us. And I was like, what, gang? Nah, not Canada. You feel me? Not Ross, not Drake, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm like, this is crazy. I gotta check it out, gang. I'm react to it for you guys real quick before I gotta go work and shit, man. But this is crazy news. Canada now? Come on, let's see what happened.
Get your hand down.
Oh shit! Gang, what's up? She's crazy.
Every day I'm hustling. What's up, nigga? You gonna press us out in our fucking city, nigga? What's up?
Shit, gang.
Back up, nigga. What's up, bro? Come on, what's up? Why do you want me right now? Come on, nigga. What's up? Go, yo! What's up?
Fuck, that's my watch.
Chill! No!
What's up, dog?
Baby! Come on, let me see.
Hold this.
What's up?
Man, gang, that's what it had, bro. That's crazy, man. Ross, bro, getting pressed in Canada, dog. And that just shows you this shit getting bigger than just the US. You know what I'm saying, gang? It's getting bigger than the US. It's getting bigger than the music, getting bigger than the beef, man. Guys, even regular Canadian citizens now is getting involved. You know what I'm saying? It's looking crazy. You know what I'm saying? Hopefully these guys can resolve this shit, man. But yo, crazy situation. Let me know what you think about this, gang, man. Yo, it's between Kendrick and Drake, the beef, but Canadians ain't taking trolling from no other rappers, including Rick Ross, man. And it's like crazy. Yo, let me know what you think about this crazy situation. I had to get this reaction off for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Before I go to work, man. It's a crazy situation, gang. I'm gonna be dropping more videos. So let me know what y'all think, gang.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.